Hello darlings! So I know this is not a beauty channel, but I think I gotta let you guys know I'm cutting my hair really short. Actually, I've been growing it out during these COVID times because I'm going to donate it. Now, depending on the organization you donate to, the minimum length will vary. I'm gonna put this one to the side. You can also have your hairstylist do this for you, but I just really wanted to cut it myself. I'm a DIY kind of gal. Okay, that looks good. From the blade tip, that's up to 12 inches. Boom, let's add that. What is that? That'll be about 12 plus 5, 17 inches. Last one of the first set. Right, this was very short, so I might just put it to the side. Maybe I'm not gonna donate that part. It's too short. All right, other side. I adjusted all of these so that it's equal, like as symmetrical as possible. And now we're gonna start braiding them. I also saw people just put rubber band here to secure the hair. I guess I'm hungry because these thick rubber bands, they're starting to look like pasta. Don't do that. This is kind of a fun hairstyle. It kind of looks like insect legs. Now this is freaking me out. Now I'm the pendulum bug. I have two scissors here from the kitchen. Certain situations, this scissor does better job. Other situations, this one. For this situation, not sure. Okay. We can do this. Not a big deal. You could grow it out again. Don't be nervous. Think about the people, the person who will receive your hair. Think about it. The happiness. Wait, I'm left-handed. It's happening! Oh my gosh. That feels so weird. Wow, it's really soft. Those ends are very soft. The ends of my hair is not soft. But this, I mean, eventually this will not be soft anymore, but this feels so nice. I can't stop touching it. 12 inches, that's the shortest section. Okay, let's try it with the other scissors this time. Oh, it feels weird to touch. That's my hair. Wow. The second section is over 12 inches. Mommy was gonna help cut the back one. So how do we do the camera? Maybe you go over here? Woo! Nice! Mom, can you guess how long this one is? How many inches? From end to end.
And 15.
15? You say 15? 17. Now can you do this back one here? All right, Mommy-o, thank you. I'll do the rest from here. I feel like I've been cutting for a while. What's happening? Maybe this section has the most amount of hair. What's happening? Why am I still cutting? Okay, there we go. Last one. I did it. Oh wait, the front stuff. These guys. What if I keep it like this? It's my antenna. But seriously, what if I kept these antennae? As fun as these are, let's cut it off. I don't know why, but I think I want to save a little bit of hair. Oops, I cut that one too short. Oh well, life goes on. Oh, it feels weird. It feels so short. I cut off so much hair, my head feels light. I feel like I could fly. Just my head. One of the things I'm looking forward to is taking less time to dry my hair. And I'm gonna use less water, less shampoo, less conditioner, less everything. And when I exercise, I don't have to keep redoing my hair. Because if I'm going like this, my buns used to keep going down, even when I double bunned it. Like I tied it in a bun, and then because my hair was so long, I tied in a second bun. But now I don't even need to put my hair in a bun if I don't want to. And if I do, it'll stay in place. The tips of these strands have been with me for over 2 years. Farewell. I'm donating these to a non-profit organization called the Children with Hair Loss. By the way, my hairstylist did the official cut. She smoothed out all the jagged angles. And now my shadow looks like a mushroom. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. For food and travel in Korea, check out my other channel, Sweet and Tasty TV. Toodles, my noodles. Anyways, I wanted to grow my hair even longer, but these days it's getting caught in everything. I don't know if I'm ever gonna grow it this long again. So I've been playing with my hair. I did some like galaxy themed hairstyles. I didn't mean to do galaxy theme. I was just doing abstract stuff. I didn't know what I was doing. I just played around and I made a series of 3 galaxy girl styles. My 4th and last hairstyle I played around with was making a braided hair scarf. I'm reading off my notes here. When donating hair, your hair must be clean and dry. Wet hair can mold while shipping, and if it's moldy and nasty, they're not gonna use your hair. And all that time you've been growing, it goes to waste. We don't wanna do that. All your hard efforts, let's make it count. But anyways, I showered last night, and now it's completely dry because it's 5 p.m. So I'm cutting my hair before my next shower session. I was watching videos on people cutting to donate their hair. Some people, I've also read that you can divide it into 4 sections, or you could divide it into 6 sections. And now because my hair is layered and the wave front here is short, I'm going to make those into a separate section. Mamio and I, we just, whatever rubber bands we come across in the house, we put it in this jar. This is my first time doing this. I really want to do a good job. I don't want to mess up. I wish I had a clippy thing. Ooh yeah, I could cut more than 12 inches here. Fantastic. Oh, I'm thrilled about that. Okay, because this is my back hair, I think that's why it's long. I'm gonna try to make it really tight as possible. It's kind of a cool hairstyle, just like this.